Hi everyone, if you have recently updated your iPhone and noticed a notification in settings that say new parental controls available, you might be wondering what it means and whether you need to do anything about it. In this video, I'll quickly explain what this notification is and show you how you can remove it. So first of all, this notification is related to Apple's updated parental controls and screen time features. Apple has introduced some new tools that help parents manage a child device more easily with age-based recommendation and improved screen time controls. Now, if you want to get rid of this notification, here's what you need to do. Open the settings app on your iPhone and tap on the new parental controls available notification. Once it opens, tap on Get Started at the top of the screen. After that, Apple will show you information about the new parental control features and how they work. Simply continue through the setup process and tap Update Now. Once the upgrade is completed, the notification should disappear from your settings app. And that's it. The notification isn't an error or a problem with your iPhone. It's just Apple's way of letting users know that new parental control options are available. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.